Hey everyone, welcome to MSc Chemistry. Today video regarding that how to make a PDF in a mobile phone, and in next video I will tell you that how to make a PPT in mobile phone. So we all know that we have to submit our assignment with PDF file or sometime with PPT. So I will tell you that how to make a PDF in mobile phone. So it's a very easy method. You should have to download WPS. It's an app. First I will tell you that there are a lot of pages available, and I will provide a link of that PDF to you. First we have to know that what is the name of our topic. So in first page like this one, we go through in edit page. So okay, this is the edit mode of that file. So first we go through name of the topic. So here we should have to write a name of the topic. So name of the topic, I will choose that heterocyclic. Okay, so I will take the text box, and of course I will write edit. I will write here heterocyclic. If I want to write um, in bold letter like it's like that type of like heterocyclic. Okay, and I also can change the size of font letter here by A plus or A minus. So it's a heterocyclic. I also can change the font letter color like this one. You can choose any color. Okay, you can choose color here, and this is Y C. Okay, so you can choose color from A, that's A, and of course this is the heterocyclic topic name. And in next we should have to write that our name, whom want to present, uh, whom want to submit their PDF. So by I will write here my name, edit. I will write here my name like Priya, and it's Priya, of course. So this is the simple representation of first page, and we also can elaborate this heterocyclic you can change the font style, and also you can increase your font style, and you can also write taking by another text box like whom you want to submit your assignment. So this is the first page. You should have to write this, and of course it should be a simple page, because we want to submit a PDF, not a drawing. So you should have to write in a simple manner. Okay, second one is introduction. In introduction you will take a text box like this one, and of course you will write here a content like you can write your content by changing your style also, and by color. And you can also add some photo here heterocyclic. You can add the picture of heterocyclic here. And of course in next page you can write your like type of second point, like type of heterocyclic ring. Okay, and in next one you can elaborate your point by structure of heterocyclic, by importance of heterocyclic in next page. So there are a lot of pages you can write your all PDF here. And one of the major point of this app is like that you can also copy paste from UC browser. You can take information from UC browser and you can paste here. So it's a good method, I can say that. You can copy, like I copy this one. Same you can copy from any file, and I want to submit it here, so I will paste. Okay, so it's complete. So I think this is the best app for you to make your PDF. I hope you like this video, and if you like this video, please like my channel, like my video, and of course subscribe my channel for next videos. Thank you so much for watching this video. This is the done, and you can check here.